Happy Wednesday, everyone. For today, I will be breaking the 2021 Donruss Elite Football. It has, let me see, 20 packs per box, 5 cards per pack. You should get, 2 autos and 1 mem per box on average. I think that's it, right? And I guess it will be, on-card autos. Hopefully you get some good hits. So, alright, so let's get to it. Today's the first day of training camp for my team, the Washington Football. And we are a few days away from the trade deadline for my baseball team. The biggest rumor right now is, I guess a lot of teams are wanting to trade for Max. So anyway, let me see what we got here. All right, so there should be 20 packs, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, 20 packs. All right. Wish me luck. Hopefully we get some hot rookie auto. All right, we got Joe, Aaron. Ooh, elite deck. Tua. Nice. Sorry, I don't put too close here. Teddy, Henry, and Kid Reporter. It's a beautiful card. Jamal Adams, Chubb, Tutu Atwell, rookie. And this is a number rookie right here, number 999. So this is a number rookie. You're going to put it there. Got Terry and Mark Brunell. Okay, oops, wrap her out. Here we go. Let me just put this right here. Give some space. Okay, here we go. Duncan, Julio. Oh, he's a cool one. Rookie away. And it's number 99. Nice. 36 out of 99. And it's a rookie number. We got Big Ben. We got Daniel Jones. Okay. Okay, we got Kelsey, Terry, my guy, my team. Oh, here we go. We got our special insert, Elite Company. Whoa. This is nice. This is a special insert. I just put it right there. And you've got DeAndre and Stafford. Okay. Got JJ. Oh, I just noticed that the players are in the new team uni. Nice. Ooh. Dual threat number 349 right here. 25 out of 349. This is very nice. Cool. Okay, we got Joey, Ridley, Oh, Payne Manning, number 75, 75 out of 75 here. Very nice. There's a lot of special insert for this series. I'm going to have to look it up after this. But so far so good. Got some few number. Tim Cook, Henry. Ooh, Ascension. And look at a special insert for this one too. Russell and Z-Lamp. Okay. Not too many rookie cards, huh? So far. I wonder if it's a short rookie's a short print in this series. Here we go. Patrick Jones rookie. Nice. $3.99. Jalen Hurts. And DJ Clark. I'm sorry, DJ Chark Jr. Okay. We got Joe. Oh, looks like this is an autograph right here. Oh, wow. Devonta Smith. Rookie. Nice. On-card auto. All right. Very nice auto right here. And then we got rookie on deck. Ooh, Caleb Farley. We got Rob and Relic. Wow. I'm digging it. I really like this series so far. Very nice. But the rookie cards are very hard to come by. He's on number 999, rookie Hubbard. So the 999, we'll do right here. We got Tua and Luke. Ooh, yes. Check that out. Kellen Mond, Texas A&M rookie. It's like very special too. See it? It's definitely different. All right. We'll put Kellen right there. Get Drew and Jerry Rice. Okay, we got Justin, Matt. Oh, it's not a rookie. This one is numbered 91. That's weird, right? It's numbered 91. 75, I'm sorry, 76 out of 91. It's weird how they number like just 91. Jonathan and TJ. Okay. Teal Henke. Would love to see how he played this season. Oh, here you go. Another one right here. Henry Drugs, number 399. Vic. and Lamar. Brennan Cook. Is it not auto? Oh no. What is this one? Whoa! Check that out. Nico Collins receiver. Texan. Let's see. It's not. It's number 2. It's number 99. Wow, very nice. And then you got rookie latest Rashad Bateman. You got Aaron Donald and Devin White. Wow. So we're just missing one mem card then, since we already got 2 autos. But nice, 2 rookie auto so far. Nick, Patrick, and Donald. That's cool. Stephon Gilmore and John. I think this one have a patch. Yeah, this one's a little thick here. Pretty thick. Yep. Thomas. You got Julian Edelman. DJ Moore. Huh. Here we go. Craftsman, wide receiver, A.J. Brown, Tennessee. And that's our mem card. And we got our rookie right here, LSU, Jamar Chase. Yeah, those are cool. Frank. This is a special card number? Nope, just normal card. Payman. Oh, wow. Whoo, yes. Trevor Lawrence. This one number 84. So we got 56 out of 84. Wow. Man. That is nice. Wow. That's good. Whew, good box. Good box. And Josh Jacobs, Marquise Brown. Okay, we got DK, Baker, Elijah Moore, rookie, number 399. Guess I can put him over here. James Robinson, Brian Urlacher. Wow, that's awesome. Awesome, awesome. Right center. Ooh, who else we have? Travis Etienne Jr. Rookie, number 999. Ooh, all right, so I'm gonna put it right here. And then we got Barkley and Fitz. All right, so this is the last pack here. Last pack, see what we get. All right. Teal, Chase Young, nice. So 3 football team on this box. You got Ascension Tampa again. You got Jalen Ramsey and AJ Brown. All right. So not bad, right? Not bad. Got Trevor Lawrence card number 84, 56 out of 84. It's like a die cut card here. You got a patch, AJ Brown, and auto of Nico Collins, which is number also. Then you got Devonta Smith, rookie. And then you got Kellen Mond, special insert, rookie card. And then you got a whole bunch of rookies, special numbers over here. So it's not bad at all. In fact, I think all the rookies are number. It looks like all the rookies are number, right? Yeah. Pretty much all the rookies are number except for Rashad. Rashad is not number. But you get a lot of numbers card right here. Yeah, so that's pretty good. All right, and that should do it. Until next time, take care.